Hey guys, I'm Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Alright, as always, select your image, go to adjustment, selective color. Here, select color reds, make cyan -50%. Yellow +50%. Keep rest as same 0. Select colored yellows, magenta +50%. Yellow +50%. Black +50% and keep rest as same 0. Select color whites, make cyan -10%, yellow +10% and keep rest as same 0. Select neutrals, cyan -10%, yellow +10% and keep rest as same 0. Select blacks, cyan -10%, and keep rest as same 0. Go to adjustment, hue saturation. Select yellow, reduce saturation -70%. Lightness +50%. Now select green, reduce saturation -70%. Now select cyan, reduce saturation -70%. Select blue, reduce saturation -70%. Again, adjustment, color balance. Shadows, make cyan red +5%. Yellow blue -5%. Now go to highlights, make cyan red 5%. Yellow blue -10%. Go to curves, RGB and follow the step like this. Now select blue, follow this step like this. And that's it. This is my final output. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video soon. I am Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel.